The AJS Isaba 125 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement, a blend of classic British motorcycle heritage with modern practicality and affordability. It's a machine that appeals to a wide range of riders, from those seeking a stylish and economical commuter to those looking for a lightweight and fun weekend ride. The Isaba 125 offers a compelling combination of retro aesthetics, reliable performance, and user-friendly features, making it a standout choice in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. The Isaba 125's design is a masterclass in retro-modern fusion. It draws inspiration from the iconic British motorcycles of the mid-20th century, particularly scramblers and cafe racers, capturing the essence of that golden era. The sculpted fuel tank, the flat seat, the upswept exhaust, and the round headlight all contribute to this vintage aesthetic. However, AJS hasn't simply replicated the past. Modern touches, such as the LED lighting, the digital instrument panel, and the refined fit and finish, bring the design firmly into the 21st century. The Isaba 125 is powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. This engine is designed for smooth and tractable power delivery, making it ideal for both city riding and open-road cruising. While outright horsepower isn't the primary focus, the engine offers ample performance for its class, providing satisfying acceleration and making overtaking effortless. It's an engine that's both economical and enjoyable, perfectly suited for the Isaba's intended purpose. The Isaba 125 competes in a crowded segment of 125 cubic centimeters motorcycles. Its combination of classic styling, modern performance, and competitive pricing makes it a strong contender in this market. It offers excellent value for money, providing a lot of motorcycle for the price. It's a motorcycle that offers a compelling combination of style, performance, and affordability. The AJS Isaba 125 is more than just a retro-styled motorcycle. It's a thoughtfully engineered machine that offers a compelling blend of classic charm and contemporary performance.